Well, good evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We're on December 14th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet, and welcome to my view from work as I take a little quick air break from drywalling 20 stories up. And this is why I have not uploaded in 3 days, and I apologize to all of my subscribers. I've been so busy, and I am here now. So welcome to Daily Events Worldwide, where I post my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world. We're going to start out here with the Pacific Disaster Center, showing you the latest disaster alerts from around the world as we had this new volcano erupt today in Chile. The Plangan Pedroa, I believe that's how it's pronounced. I couldn't find it on this map, but yeah, this is a new volcano that has erupted today, showing a lot of activity in South America. We're also looking at high winds and rain in the BC mountains, Washington, Oregon interior, avalanche risks on the eastern side of the Rockies. As well, we've got extreme cold temperatures in China and Pakistan. That's right, northwestern Pakistan. Stay aware and prepared as our sun is very sleepy. But today, we have 3 sunspots, Earth-facing sunspots, developing on the sun. This is the most active I have seen the sun in weeks, if not months. So stay aware and prepared. We may have some space weather heading our way. Also watching the large filament on the top right side of the sun. Some pretty amazing footage there. Looks like the plasma is being sucked right off the sun into the backside. Very cool indeed. These images coming out of Solar Dynamics Observatory. Also watching a large plasma filament on the bottom left side of the sun as well. And it is antipode to the other one. So yes, this is the most action that we've seen on the sun in weeks. So we can definitely expect something here soon. No coronal hole, so the wind speed has definitely come down. We're hovering around 300 to 400 kilometers per second. What an amazing, amazing star. We're going to go over here to Meteo Earth, get our 5-day forecast, and we have yet another nor'easter heading towards the Atlantic coast, Canada. Newfoundland will be receiving blizzard-like conditions later in the week. And also cold temperatures northern parts of Canada, but here in Alberta, we've got some great Chinook winds as those low-pressure systems keep hammering the BC coast, creating pockets of warm equatorial air over Calgary. It was 11 degrees today. That's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Still watching large low-pressure systems developing in the Pacific Ocean over and over again. Possible tropical storm developing here, heading towards India and Nepal, and then over to Myanmar. Also watching south of that, along the equator, we've got a couple cyclones developing. The one on the left looks like it will be heading towards Madagascar, and the one on the right, just not sure what it will do, but it looks pretty strong. We'll be keeping an eye on those over the next few days. Over parts of Europe, large high pressure ridge blocking a lot of the cold air to eastern parts of Europe, western parts being hammered by a large Pacific low pressure system that is spinning in the Atlantic Ocean. But still, very large low pressure systems. Atmospheric compression event there in Greenland, as they will be receiving quite a bit of snow there over the next few days as well. South America, large torrential downpours throughout these regions here. And also Australia, we have tropical cyclone downgraded to tropical storm Owen, who is hanging around Queensland for the next few days. 5-day forecast shows it going back and forth on the northeast side of the continent. So Queensland, watch for possible flash flooding in northeastern parts of Australia. And cold temperatures, China, Pakistan. Watch for those cold temperatures to swing around the planet real soon. Looking at the earthquakes, this is the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Most recent being this 4.7 west of the Galapagos Triple Junction Islands. This is the Triple Junction region. Galapagos Islands are about 200 kilometers east of that. But 4.7 there. A lot of minor rumbles in North America as well. Some geologists on YouTube are reporting a lot of seismic movement in Colorado, watching for a possible volcano, dormant volcano in Colorado, waking up. It's a very deep earthquake here in China, as well as this Japan earthquake, north of Marianas Trench. 5.2 here in Indonesia, 150 kilometer depth, but also these strange earthquakes in China, in Gartog, 5.0, 4.7, and the 4.4 in Bayanhat, China, as well. Afghanistan going off, 118 kilometer deep earthquake there, and the 5.0 on the Rick James Ridge. That's Rick James, not Rick James. But this is the last 7 days for earthquakes, and we have had a lot of seismic activity in North America, including the large earthquake there in Port Hardy, and also this large 4.2, I believe it was, in Virginia. That was very close to a nuclear plant as well. So stay aware and prepared, as Homeland Security of the United States of America is saying that everybody should be prepared for 6 months of food and no power. So get yourselves ready, folks. It's time for the 17 steps to living off the grid. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks very much for watching. Much love. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.